Okay, so I showed up on scene. Now they put them back in their vehicles. They're, oh, thanks, guys. Can I get any comments, guys, on what the stop was for? Officers?
Breaking the law.
You just letting them go and thanking them now for breaking the law? Wasn't too serious of an offense, or?
No, we believe they were getting chased, so yeah.
Oh, they were getting chased by cops, it looks like, by an undercover. They were getting chased by you.
I'm not undercover.
Yeah, you are. You're in an undercover vehicle. So they were getting chased, but they were getting chased by these two undercover cops that had masks on before this. So I can see why they were afraid. They were in fear for their life. JPD, got undercovers here, we got two black male suspects pulled out of their vehicle. They're searching their vehicle. Looks like they got them in torture cuffs, at least one of them in torture cuffs.
Oh yeah, sure. Yep, you ran everything's good. You got bad lights. I think your biggest problem with those guys, why those guys ran. He said they were just playing. Okay. He wasn't real impressed with his friends after.
Yeah, but they're passing people.
Well, no, he said that. He
Yeah, I understand that. That's what I'm saying. That's why I don't know why he drove off though. That's what I'm saying. I don't know why he.
We just gotta make sure everybody's being safe. Yeah. Stuff happens out here, you know what?
They got him out of the car to make sure everybody's safe.
I think he'd right.
Thanks, fellas. Yep, I put it right back in the scene, I think. Is it right there?
Okay, so I showed up on scene. Now they put them back in their vehicles. They're, oh, thanks, guys. Can I get any comments, guys, on what the stop was for? Officers?
Breaking the law.
You just letting them go and thanking them now for breaking the law? Wasn't too serious of an offense, or?
No, we believe they were getting chased, so yeah.
Oh, they were getting chased by cops, it looks like, by an undercover. They were getting chased by you.
I'm not undercover.
Yeah, you are. You're in an undercover vehicle. So they were getting chased, but they were getting chased by these two undercover cops that had masks on before this. So I can see why they were afraid. They were in fear for their life. Can I get any name and badge numbers?
037.
Name. Undercover. That's disgraceful. JPD, there they go. Taking them to a different stop. They're still following them. They're still following them. They're taking them to a different location to search them, get them out of my sight, get them out of the camera's eye. That's what they do. When you fear accountability, that's what you do. Look, they're still following them. They're going to take them probably to the police station. Do more of a search. Unbelievable. Jackson, Michigan. Undercovers spying on the American people. That's the American way. Spying on your neighbors. Okay, so Southern Michigan Bank and Trust here. They seem to dislike what I'm doing, and they're all pounding on the doors. And, okay, it's maybe some contractors. These guys here, workers. Okay, so they're swearing at me. They're telling me to get away from their building. Calling me names, cussing at me, being disorderly. This is the American way, guys. This is the American way.
Get away from our building, idiot.
This is the American way. You got all these commie Nazis up here. He's got his phone up there. Oh, he's up on the roof. Ah, what a coward. He's up there hanging out on his roof, yelling at me to get away from my building. He's a renter here. He's getting his free rent paid by the government, but it's his building. This is the American way, guys. Americans hate freedom. They hate liberty. It's only a myth in America. Don't believe it. The American way, America is broken. Mercer Company, and they're doing work in here. They're out trying to interfere with my work, recording the cops. They're pounding on the windows, calling me names, swearing at me, all for exercising our First Amendment rights. Thanks for watching this Freedom News Now video in the city of Jackson, Michigan. Triggered Karens and secret cops get owned. ID refusal, First Amendment audit fail. Triggered Karens lose it over public photography. Secret cops use illegal police stops to rapidly destroy the very fabric of America. This Audit Cop Watch video demonstrates the danger of a police state in America. Civil rights must be defended and protected for current and future generations. Remember, triggered Karens and tyrant cops will stop at nothing to destroy your freedom. The pursuit for accountability and transparency will live forever. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for new Triggered Karens, Cops Owned, ID Refusal, and Amendment Audit videos daily. As always, thank you for watching Freedom News Now First Amendment Audit, and I'll see you on the next one. Freedom News Now First Amendment Audit. I'm out.